Have you guys finished all your Christmas shopping yet? Don't worry if you haven't, because I have curated some of the best Christmas gifts for luxury lovers and under 500 too. Hi my loves, welcome back. So today's video has actually been a pretty highly requested one, and I don't know if you're like me, I still have a couple of last minute presents to buy, but don't worry, I have curated the best luxury Christmas gifts to buy those of you that like luxury but under $500. And also, yep, I'm looking after you as I've got another code as highly requested again for you so you can use and save some more money. So if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Mel. I hope you find this video really helpful. Lots of these items I own myself. Lots of these items are sure to impress the luxury lover in your life. Plus, even better, I've done the research for you. So I've got 8 items to show you, and let's start off with number 1. So the very first item I'm going to show you is going to come at no surprise, and I am talking about the YSL card case. I think this card case is amazing. I got it from FARFETCH, and since we're talking about FARFETCH, yes, this video is in partnership with FARFETCH. You guys know I've been working with them for quite a while now. I think this is my 3rd or 4th video with them, and I'm so glad because so many of you requested for another gift code, and yes, happy to say I've got one for you, and yes, it applies to this card case. Let me tell you why I recommend this card case so much. Firstly, since I've got it, I love this color. It is so durable. It is in like a grained calf. So there are other card holders in the marketplace, which is fabulous, but this is at such a good price point. Everything in this video is under 500 USD, which a lot of you said to me, Mel, we love all your picks, but can you do like a video just dedicated to your curated picks of items under 500? So here I am, I'm delivering it, and I've been loving this so much. And you know what? I saw that FARFETCH came out with this new color, which I hadn't seen in a lot of the luxury sites. So for those of you that haven't heard about FARFETCH before, I have been shopping with them for years, and yes, they're absolutely legit. And what I love about them and what makes them different is that they partner up with over 980, it's probably close to 1,000 boutiques all around the world, and that is how they have such a wide selection of product. So if I place an order with them, I could get a product from Europe, I could get a product from Asia, I could get a product from the USA, from the UK, and so forth. So that's why their range is just so diverse, and that's the main reason why I absolutely love shopping with them. Other than the fact that delivery is super quick, and if you do need to return anything, like a courier comes to you, so it's super easy. Anyway, yes, I got this card holder from them, and I saw this one in white. Oh my goodness. If I didn't have this already, and I didn't have another card case in that colorway, I just really recommend this. Don't be afraid to go lighter in these card cases because I find them really, really durable. So this is what it looks like, front, back. I know not everyone loves neon, but it comes in so many different colors. For guys, for girls, it's going to suit anyone. Everybody loves a card holder. I just think this card holder is so edgy, and it's a great first luxury piece. The number 2 item that I would get, and I also own, which this one I did pay with my own money, and it's from FARFETCH, is a Salvatore Ferragamo belt. The reason why I recommend this one is reversible. It comes in so many different colors. Again, I loved it. I've been wearing this so much. And before I forget, I've been, yapping on so much. The FARFETCH code. So the FARFETCH code is MIMFF10, and that entitles you to 10% off all the new season, all the permanent collection, and also even the sale items. And yes, includes Ferragamo, includes Balenciaga, of course, Saint Laurent, Manolo Blahnik, Balmain, all those brands. It doesn't include Gucci and Fendi, but for the most part, like 95% of the brands are included. So I think it's great because a lot of these really sort of classic lines don't always go on sale. So it's a really good time to get the item that you're eyeing. So the reason why I recommend this belt is this Gancini belt is classic. You cannot go wrong with this. This has been on my wish list for ages, and I don't know why I didn't buy it sooner. The second reason why it's also on my list is because for guys or girls, it looks so classy. A belt is a great way to finish off an outfit, and this one I particularly love is because it is reversible. So I saw this gorgeous one in black and beige, which I'll link for you here, but there's so many different colors like black and red. It comes with the gold hardware, the silver hardware. So whether you're a guy, whether you're a girl, I think everyone needs to have a Ferragamo belt in their collection. Also, just for a tip in terms of belt sizing, for this one, I bought in size 80 centimeters. So girls, if you want something waisted and say you're normally a 75, get 80 because you can wear it, you know, and cinch in a dress, but you can also wear it with pants. So with pants, I tend to be 85. With waist, I wear 75. So if I buy 80, it's the best of both worlds. So that's just a little sizing tip for you. So this belt comes in at number 2. So yes, I actually did dress up a little bit for this video. Miss S picked these little reindeer earrings with bells, which I thought was so cute. So I wanted to wear that, and it's red and it's festive. But you guys know I am a huge earring person. So of course, something that I'm going to recommend is my latest creation with Ana Luisa. And these are my 2-in-1 Melbourne Mim earrings. So these earrings are so classy, and like the belt 2-in-1, these earrings are also 2-in-1. So I will insert a close-up. I have done a video on this, which I will link above, but these earrings can be worn with or without the pearl, and it is just classic. It is a gift that suits any woman. Guys, if you buy this for a special lady in your life, I think they will absolutely love it because it can be dressed up, it can be dressed down. But the reason why I included this in my gift guide is because this is a gift that keeps on giving. I'm actually donating a portion of my own profits to charity, and that is the Fred Hollows Foundation, because 4 out of 5 people in developing countries who are blind don't need to be. So when I discovered that fact, I'm like, I want to do something. So a percentage of every single sale is going to go to this charity. So know that you're buying something gorgeous and timeless, but it's also going to be helping someone see again. So that comes in at number 3. If you did want to learn more about these earrings, check out my video. But the quality of the pearl is Swarovski crystal pearl, and the earrings are for sensitive ears as well. They're not made of any brass, they don't contain any nickel. They're actually 18 karat gold plated sterling silver. But check out that video if you were interested. But I'm so proud of them. Those of you that have already got them, thank you so much for sending me pics. If you get these, please send me pics. I want to share. But yeah, I love these earrings, and I think that you will love them too. So number 4 is a gift that my bestie gave me. And so many of you asked me, where can you find it? Because it's actually a brand from Korea. And she bought them in Korea for me when she went just a month ago. And usually this is a present that is so hard to buy, but I swear guys, every single person that has tried on these sunglasses, I don't know what it is about it, it just suits. So I'm talking about the Gentle Monster sunglasses. They are such a popular brand in Korea, and they have stock lists around the world, and I found them on FARFETCH. And yes, my code applies to them and you can get 10% off. How good is that? I couldn't find them on any other site, but I found them on FARFETCH. So I'll show you what I mean. So these glasses, I just love. And you know, I don't have a very high nose bridge, and I don't know what it is about these glasses, but they just look awesome. So I'm going to put them on for you. The cat eye, they just suit. They just look. I've tried them on different faces. My sister's tried them on. We've all got different shaped faces, and they just kind of just stay on your nose because they've got these sort of pads. And sometimes I wish they would create, you know, more sunglasses for Asians, because, you know, I would love to have a higher bridge, but I don't. But these just work. So you've got to try these out. They are under 500. I think they're only about 300 something, maybe even less. So I think these are the perfect Christmas gift, even for yourself. And it comes in black and brown, I believe, but my version is the brown one. I will link everything I mentioned down in the description box. So I highly recommend these sunglasses. In at number 5, I own this too. You can't go wrong. It's for guys, it's for girls, it's for young, it's for old. It suits everyone. It is the Burberry scarf. If you are going to own one designer scarf, I just love the Burberry scarf because all the colors in there, it goes with everything. Burberry checked is classic. It's understated. It doesn't scream out. If you don't like the whole logo mania thing, it just looks like a checkered scarf. But because it's 100% cashmere, it's so soft, it's so warm. I just love it. And also ask, because this is the time of year, sometimes they even offer, if you want that added touch, they offer monogramming. I don't have this monogrammed, but hubby loves this scarf and we both actually share it. So you guys, I think this is great. This is the classic beige one, but it does come in other colors as well. I will link this particular one in because this is my favorite. But if I find any of them, some of the seasonal ones sometimes go on sale. The classic one doesn't because it's just so popular. but the 10% works on this as well. But of course, if I find any other, great deals and everything like that, I will link it below. But you know what? I know you think, okay, well, Mel, it's summer here. Do you know, like a few days ago in Melbourne, I seriously had the heater on. We have 4 seasons. I know I say this all the time and people don't believe us, but today was like so hot and then it just dropped like 15 degrees in the span of an hour. So having a scarf really, I think, is an all year round thing for us Melburnians anyway. And I know it's super cold for you up in the northern hemisphere. I'm telling you, if you give this to a luxury lover and it's their first scarf, it's going to impress them because they're going to be able to wear this for years to come. So in at number 6 is something that I did get from Farfetch. And can you just see this little love heart? So this is from the UK. Sometimes there's, flags from Italy and so forth. So from here, I'm super excited about this one. So all transparency, Farfetch did gift me a voucher. More often than not, I always go overboard and I end up spending more than that. But anyway, yes, this I used my voucher. In here is something from Saint Laurent. I have been loving Saint Laurent so much lately. I think they are killing it. Oh, I love this, and I will show you what it is. So in this dust bag, and yes, this one did come in a box, is dun dun dun. Let me just take this out. So guys, this is the UPTOWN clutch, and it is gorgeous. I love this particular version because to me it has sort of a vintage vibe to it with the canvas and the leather mix. I love the gold hardware. I just think I'm not really even a clutch person, but when I saw this, I'm like, this is fabulous. Now, when I went to check, this sold out. So I don't know how much they have of it. I hope they've come back. But when I just went back to check, I saw another version, which I didn't see last week when I placed my order, is that this UPTOWN clutch has come out in a pebbled version. So initially this UPTOWN clutch came in the smooth leather, and I think that's amazing. But I don't know, I just think it's a little bit more delicate. So for those of you that are worried, now it's come in this pebbled finish, and I'll put a picture up here. The black and gold is so classic, and the reason why this is so popular is because it's at such a good price point. Usually you can't even find SLGs for under 500, and to be able to have a big clutch, so that's what it looks like on the inside. That is why this always sells out. So if you were looking for the UPTOWN clutch and have been waiting and you didn't like that sort of shiny, smooth leather, it comes, I've seen it on Farfetch in the black and gold and in the gorgeous beige and gold as well. And yes, 10% works. It's going to sell out really quick. So if you are after this, get a move on. It's going to make such a gorgeous Christmas gift. I love it. I hope this comes back in stock for you guys, but if not, get the other one. I'm tempted to get the other one for my sister because their leathers, their pebbled leathers, it's the same one as they make their wax in, and a lot of their bags is super durable. I'm really impressed. But what I love even more is the price point. I also tried to vary it up. Besides, SLGs and accessories, I wanted to include a clothing item. And everything that I recommend, as I said, I've shown you personal examples because I love them and I've bought them myself. And likewise, I think this is going to be great for guys and girls, and it comes in so many different colors and variations. And I'm talking about the Balmain tee. The reason why I specifically picked the Balmain tee is because I love their gold buttons. I think, all designer tees are a little bit overpriced, let's be honest. But when it has these touch of gold buttons, which are very substantial, I think it makes it look a lot more expensive, and compared to other designer tees, it is actually a pretty good price. I'm going to link these two exact ones for you because they do come in, this is the sleeveless version with the gold as well, and they've got the new Balmain logo as well, which I love. And best of all, they've got versions for guys and girls and a lot of different colors. I've seen a few on sale, so all the ones on sale, I'm just going to link for you below and just take a look. I think it's really worth it, and it looks really good paired with jeans. It looks so good paired with the Balmain blazer. It doesn't even have to be a Balmain blazer. It's just gorgeous, and I think it's sort of like a staple designer tee for any luxury lover. So the final item I have to show you is actually a reveal. It's a new thing that I bought, but it's not new because I have included it in a video myself. So my video, best to worst bags under 1,000, I am so glad I did that video. So many of you loved it, and I loved discovering, touching and feeling all those different brands. And if you haven't watched that, I will link it above as well. But I fell in love with a couple of those bags. And I know some of you may be surprised and you think, well, Mel, don't you just kind of buy Chanel and LV and Dior and Hermes? Yes, I love those brands, but I love designs. I love bags in general. So I picked up one of the bags for myself, and it's under 500. And I'm talking about the DANSE LENTE bags. DANSE LENTE is a brand from London, and don't you look at this packaging? It's so cool. So it is a very architectural bag. This bag actually came in my top 3, and because I loved it. It fits quite a bit. I actually just got this, I don't know, 2 days ago. It is from Louisa V Aroma, and yes, I did use my code, which I know so many of you have asked me and so many of you have said, please get that code again. You guys know whenever I can get codes, I will. But I did pick this up using my own code, and it is the Phoebe Bis bag. I love this colorway. I haven't even unwrapped it yet, but I will insert a picture of me trying it on, which I did on the vid. I just love it. It's got, a compartment here, and then you also have another compartment at the back as well. I've got to take all the stuffing out and undo all of this, but I unboxed it in that video. And I may even want to get another one of their bags. But I was looking more into DANSE line, and there's actually a few bags I really liked from them. I saw that FARFETCH stocks so many of them, Louisa V Aroma as well. I've also seen some of their seasonal colorways go on sale. So you can even, some of them were like 200 something. So how impressive is it to give a luxury lover this emerging designer brand, which I think is just getting hotter and hotter. And it's not even just DANSE line. I've been looking at some of the stored bags. They're really great as well. So I'm going to link in some of my picks for the best bags under 500 because, yeah, if you get a bag for Christmas and it's a designer bag, you are going to be getting lots of brownie points, because imagine them just opening this bag up. I love it. I really, really love this bag. So I will be taking it all off and using it myself. And I love discovering new emerging designers. This brand has been around for, a few years, but a lot of people just don't know about them. So I'm more than happy to share with you guys my knowledge as I discover new brands as well. So that is it, guys. That is 8 ideas for you to give any luxury lover in your life, including yourself. These are last minute gift ideas if you use the FARFETCH code, which, by the way, I think only runs for 3 days. Everything I will put in the description bar below, but don't forget to use my code MIMFF10. It applies to all new arrivals, anything labeled new season, anything labeled permanent collection, and it's off like 95% of the brands. Guys, my code's only valid for a few days, so if you want it, make use of it. If you put your order in now, I think you have a few more days, you will still get it in time for Christmas. I am still going to be shopping online. I'll be using my own code because I have got 2 more presents to buy, then I'm finally done. And I just think any of these gifts, if I was to receive any of them, I would be over the moon. And I know whether you're buying it for yourself or for friends or family, any of these gifts, I tell you, are sure to impress any luxury lover in your life. So I really hope that helps. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm more than happy to do this video for you. I know it was highly requested, but I just wish you guys happy holidays. Love you so much. Have a great day or night, and I will catch you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.
And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live, the dream I knew, this Christmas